Yo, what's up my friends? This is Adam Boyd back with Adam Reviews FX, and today I'm going to talk about the 3 fatal mistakes that people make when trading Forex. Number 1, the first fatal mistake is trading without a stop loss. If you are trading without a stop loss, your account is at risk. You could blow your account at any time, because if it goes the wrong way and you don't have a stop loss, it could go all the way until it goes far enough that you just blow your account and all your money is gone, okay? Now, it doesn't always work out the way that you want it to, and sometimes the markets can be unpredictable, and if you're not using a stop loss, you could set yourself up for some huge losses. So definitely, if you don't trade with a stop loss, stop playing around. I know that some people say, well, when you have a stop loss, then the market makers know where you're at, and then they go and hit your stop loss. No, you're just not trading with a good strategy, and you lost the trade. All right, so start using stop losses. I've heard of people losing tens of thousands of dollars on one trade because they said, oh, I'm just not going to use a stop loss this time. Don't be crazy. Use a stop loss. The second fatal mistake that people make when they get into the Forex industry is they're looking for an easy button. They're looking for the easy way out. They don't want to actually have to learn the skills to become a good trader. They don't want to have to go through the trading. They just want to get Forex signals, okay? So a lot of people are out there selling signals. Well, that can become a problem, okay? Because a lot of people are using different brokers than you're using. And it's very hard with how quickly the market moves to get a signal out to people in time for them to catch the move. So what I see a lot is a move will start to happen. The person sending the signals will send a signal, but by the time the people get it, it's already too late and the move has already happened, and the person is basically already at their take profit. They've gotten out, and then they go, look, you missed the trade. There's your signal. So stop trading with other people's signals because they may have a different broker than you. There's a lot of different factors and variables that could make it hard for you to take signals and actually make money off of them. So stop looking for the easy button. We're in the strategies that are actually going to help you make money trading, and stop wasting your money on signals. Okay guys, and the third fatal mistake that you can make is trading against the trend. Okay, now I know it's nice to find when the trend is breaking and there's a reversal, but there is reversals that you can find while also trading with the trend. Okay, the trend is your friend. I know that's super basic. So let's say we're on a downtrend. There's going to be bearish kangaroo tails on that downtrend. Okay, so don't take, a lot of times I do not take the trades unless it's coming down to like a zone at the very bottom and it hasn't been there for a really long time and it's turning around. I may take it, but I try to trade with the trend, okay? Because most of the time the trend is going to continue. So stop trying to always find when the trend's going to reverse and just trade with the trend. Let the trend do its job and just find the kangaroo tails on that when they pop up, and then get in on that trend. So the trend is your friend. So don't trade against the trend. That is the third fatal mistake. So that's going to conclude this video. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you guys got some value out of this. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe if you could. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave those in the comments below. Also, if you're looking for the best Forex broker in the industry, make sure to check out Sage FX. I also have a link in the description below. And check out Reversal's indicator. This is going to help you find big moves so that you can capitalize off them and make money in the markets. Thanks for stopping by this video. I will see you on the next one.